Okay, now we've got a black oven which we're about to apply the same pressure to. As you can see, it just blasted off. This has been sprayed with liquid caustic first, 100%. We've run it with steam, so liquid caustic with steam, 15 minutes, and then we blast it off with the high pressure. This same principle can be applied to anything with cooked on tar, whether it's trolleys, ovens, fryers. The theory of filling up with water and then putting a heap of caustic pearl, it's very costly and doesn't deliver a very good cleaning result either. This is the best way to clean tar. It's the most efficient, the cheapest and the fastest.